Across the vast savannas and open woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa roam the largest land animal on Earth, the African bush elephant. Known scientifically as Loxodonta africana, this species is distinguished by its immense size, large fan-shaped ears, and gently curved tusks. Adult males can weigh up to 6 tons, yet despite their size, they are capable of remarkable sensitivity and intelligence. One of their most recognizable features is their ears. These wide ears are not only iconic in shape, but they also serve as natural cooling systems. Filled with blood vessels, they help regulate body temperature under the intense African sun. The trunk of the African bush elephant is a masterpiece of evolution. Containing over 40,000 muscles, it functions as both a powerful tool and a delicate instrument. With it, an elephant can uproot small trees, strip bark, gather grass, drink water, or even pick up a single blade of vegetation with surprising precision. African bush elephants are herbivores and spend up to 16 hours a day feeding. Their diet includes grasses, leaves, bark, fruits, and roots. Because of their enormous size, they must consume hundreds of kilograms of vegetation daily to sustain themselves. Social structure is another defining characteristic. Female elephants live in tightly bonded family groups led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and most experienced female. Her memory plays a vital role in survival, helping the herd remember migration routes, water sources, and safe territories during droughts. Males, on the other hand, often leave the herd upon maturity and live solitary lives or form loose bachelor groups. African bush elephants are also known for complex communication. They use low-frequency sounds, sometimes below the range of human hearing, to communicate across long distances. These infrasonic calls allow herds to stay connected even when separated by kilometers of land. More than just massive animals of strength, African bush elephants are ecological engineers. By knocking down trees and clearing vegetation, they shape the landscape itself, creating habitats for other species. Understanding their habits reveals a creature of balance, powerful yet social, dominant yet deeply connected to its environment. As dawn breaks over the African savanna, the herd begins to stir. In the cool early light, elephants are most active. The matriarch leads the group toward feeding grounds, often following routes learned and remembered over decades. Calves stay close to their mothers, protected within the circle of the herd. Morning is a time of movement and nourishment. The elephants graze steadily, sweeping grasses into their mouths with rhythmic precision. Younger members explore their surroundings, occasionally engaging in playful interactions that help develop strength and social bonds. As the sun climbs higher and temperatures rise, activity slows. Elephants seek shade beneath large trees or gather near water sources. Midday heat in the savanna can be intense, and conserving energy becomes essential. If water is nearby, the herd may drink deeply. An adult elephant can consume up to 200 liters of water in a single day. Bathing often follows. Using their trunks, they spray water across their bodies before coating themselves in mud or dust. This behavior is not random. Mud and dust act as natural sunscreen and insect protection, shielding their thick yet sensitive skin from the harsh environment. The midday hours are quieter. Communication continues through soft rumbles and subtle body language, maintaining cohesion within the group. As the heat begins to ease, movement resumes. The herd may travel several kilometers in search of fresh vegetation or another water source. Elephants are capable of long-distance journeys, particularly during dry seasons when resources become scarce. Along the way, their presence reshapes the land. Branches are broken, shrubs are cleared, and pathways are formed. What may seem destructive is, in ecological terms, transformative, creating space for new plant growth and supporting biodiversity. Calves remain under watchful supervision. Older females assist in protecting and guiding them, demonstrating the cooperative nature of elephant society. Afternoon is a time of steady travel and preparation before nightfall. As the sun sets and golden light stretches across the savanna, the herd gradually slows. Elephants do not have permanent nests, but they often settle in areas considered safe. Open spaces where visibility reduces the risk of surprise from predators such as lions. The herd forms a loose protective arrangement with calves positioned toward the center. Gentle rumbles pass between individuals, reaffirming bonds within the group. Night is typically a period of reduced activity, though elephants may continue to feed intermittently. Rest comes in short intervals, often while standing. Under the vast African sky, the herd remains united, connected not only by sound but by memory, experience, and shared survival. From sunrise to sunset, the life of the African bush elephant unfolds in quiet strength and collective wisdom. They are not merely giants of the land, but guardians of ecosystems shaping landscapes, sustaining biodiversity and carrying knowledge across generations. Their journey is guided by memory, cooperation, and resilience against a changing world. In every measured step across the savanna, there is history. In every low rumble carried through the earth, there is a connection. And as night settles over the plains, the silhouette of the herd fades into darkness, powerful, patient, and enduring. A reminder that true strength is not only found in size, but in unity, memory, and the rhythm of nature itself.